Hello guys, ang ganda dito sa Kabuyaw. Sa inyo pumunta na kayo guys. Grabe ang ganda. Napaka-solid. Grabe. Ang dami kong pagpipilian dito. Dami rin pa nga pagkain dito guys. Pumili na lang kayo kung ano gusto nyo kainin guys. Sa inyo, punta na kayo. Let's go!
You said you sent to save us, oh my Lord. You very sent to give us, oh my Lord. Can save me not in slave us and love you raise for more. Oh my Lord, in the crowded fountain, oh my Lord. The golden head of broken, oh my Lord. They got a all around him to see him and adore. Oh my Lord, you got the celebration of my life.